Decoding Meal Prep, a handy guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the world of English phrases and uncover the meaning and use of the term meal prep. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means, especially in the context of daily life and healthy living, then this video is for you. Meal prep is a compound word consisting of two main parts. 1. Meal. This refers to the food we eat, typically during specific times of the day like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. 2. Prep, short for preparation. This involves getting something ready for use or consideration. So, when combined, meal prep essentially means preparing meals in advance. There are numerous reasons why someone might choose to meal prep, and here are a few of them. Convenience. Preparing meals ahead of time means you don't have to cook every single day. Healthy living. Many people find it easier to stick to a healthy diet when they prepare their meals in advance. Budget-friendly. Buying and cooking in bulk can often save money. Time-saving. Instead of spending time daily on cooking, one can just reheat the prepped meal. Portion control. It helps in controlling and measuring the amount of food intake, especially for those watching their weight or following a specific diet. Though the specifics can vary based on personal preference, the general process of meal prepping often involves 1. Planning the menu, deciding on what meals you want to prepare for the week. 2. Shopping for ingredients, buying all the necessary items from a grocery store. 3. Cooking in bulk, making large quantities of meals at once. 4. Storing, dividing the meals into portions and storing them in containers, usually in the fridge or freezer. 5. Reheating and eating. When it's time to eat, simply reheat the prepped meal. Meal prep is more than just a phrase. It's a lifestyle choice many adopt for convenience, health, and efficiency. We hope that this video has given you a clearer understanding of what meal prep means and how it can be incorporated into daily life. Remember, every language is filled with phrases that capture unique lifestyles and choices, and meal prep is a beautiful representation of modern-day planning and healthy living. Happy learning and happy prepping!